Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Common nouns and proper nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are names of persons, places, things, and events. But before we start, let's play a game first. Find the nouns in each sentence. Ben is my brother. What are the nouns in this sentence? Very good. Ben. Can you find another one? Brother. Good job. You did well. Let's do one more sentence. Miss Anna is my teacher. What are the nouns in this sentence? Well done, Miss Anna. Can you find another one? Teacher. Very good. These four words are all examples of nouns. Brother and teacher are examples of common nouns, while Ben and Miss Anna are called proper nouns. What are common nouns? Common nouns are general names of persons, places, animals, and things. Common nouns are written in small letters. Example: brother and teacher. Other examples of common nouns are pet, book, city, friend, day, cafe, and kitten. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are names of specific or particular persons, places, animals, and things. Proper nouns start with capital letters. Capital letters are big letters. Here are examples of proper nouns. Ben. Ben starts with a capital letter B. Anna. Anna starts with capital letter A. Here are examples of proper nouns. Bingo. Math book. New York City. Leah. Monday. Star Cafe. Missy. Let's have common nouns and proper nouns examples side by side. Brother, Ben. Teacher, Miss Anna. Pet, Bingo. Book, Math book. City, New York City. Friend, Leah. Day, Monday. Cafe, Star Cafe. Kitten, Missy. Tell if a noun is a common noun or a proper noun. You can do it. Baby. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? Very good. Common noun. Mount Everest. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? That's right. Proper noun. Flower. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? That's right. Common noun. Aunt May. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? That's correct. Proper noun. Park. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? That's right. Common noun. English book. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? That's correct. Proper noun. Good job. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.